Welcome to your daily motivation and inspiration with Dan, where I simplify life and business and help you become a better version of yourself. Have you thought about the three major pillars in your life lately? Or maybe you're not aware of them. Well, I'm going to be talking about the main one today. So here's the thing. There are three pillars, like I'm mentioning. Number one is your physical health. And I'll talk about more about that in a moment. Number two is your mental health, your spiritual health, and number three is your mental health. And they go in that order. And here's the reason being, because when you have your physical health, then you have energy and you can move and you can get things done. You can get out of bed, you can get off that mattress. You don't argue with Monday and not want to get up. You get up and you get going, you get moving. But if you don't have the energy, then you're not going to be able to do the things you want. And if you're like me and you own a business, then you're not going to be able to get up and do the things that you need to do because your body is wanting to rest, is tired, is sore, maybe in pain. And I would guess that there are a lot of people that are in pain lately because what's happening is people are using food as an emotional outlet. It's become edible entertainment. And that's not going to work long term, as you can imagine. Once you start putting on the weight, then it's hard to move and it's hard to get going. And I would ask you to think about this. By your own standards, are you overweight? Are you carrying excess weight, excess fat? In other words, because if you say yes to that question, then guess what? You have an inner conflict going on. You're thinking that you should be leaner and lighter, and meanwhile you're carrying extra weight and you'd like to be leaner and lighter, so you have a conflict. So there's a conflict in you, and guess what? That causes a lot of emotional issues. So the key here is movement, because movement is medicine. Movement gets you going. Even a walk, just like this walk here, it gets you moving, gets you out in nature, gets you thinking and looking at things differently. When you get moving, you have the energy. You have more power. You can stay lean. Your body gets to express its emotions. If you don't do that, then what happens? You pack on the weight, you sit there, and then you have all sorts of internal dialogue. Those little voices inside your head start chiming in and saying, we should get moving, we should do something, I should have a fitness practice. And everybody does it come December, January, February. But if you don't do it consistently, it doesn't become a ritual, and then it doesn't help. So ideas flow when you have energy. I have ideas flowing all the time. When I take these walks, I have ideas flowing. Why? Because I'm moving and I have energy flowing in me. If you do nothing, then the energy stays in one place. It stays stagnant and it doesn't move. And that doesn't work. So you want to stay healthy. You want to stay as strong as you can physically first. Do what you can do that's easy enough. Just getting up and putting some shoes on, going for a walk. That's pretty easy. I would have to argue with you on that if you said it wasn't. But you can do it. And if you get your energy up, then you have the motivation to do the things that you need to do. And it becomes easier and easier as you keep doing a little practice a little bit every day. So if you're not watching this video on my YouTube channel, head over and check it out. And if you're not getting up and getting moving every day, just do a little something. Get up, get out, do something physically in nature. Just go out and do something and get some positive ions into your body. And as always, thanks for watching, and I'll see you on my next video.